My name is Makai Freitas. I am 42 years old and I currently reside in Waimea on the Big Island. Started playing football in 7th grade, 8th grade, continued on through college at the University of Arizona and had a real brief career with the Oakland Raiders as well as in NFL Europe. Continued coaching after that, off and on or so the last 20 years, but football was a major part of my life. When I had my first consultation with him and we sat down, I went to the brain scan and he showed me the different quadrants in my brain that weren't exactly firing the way I thought they were. Yeah, it's a wake-up call. So looking at it, taking a step back and looking at, hey, where do I want to be when I retire? Do I want to be quality years or I want them to be not very good years? So I made a conscious decision to go ahead and go forward with this. Within the first 20 or so sessions, I found myself a lot more motivated, a lot more energy, a lot more focused too. I would say the focus on whatever task I had at hand, was definitely what I saw the most benefit from. I had to take Ambience to go to sleep. I don't want to say I was dependent on them, but I definitely had to take them to, in between shifts, night to days, days to nights. And I didn't like that feeling in the morning. I didn't like that groggy brain fog kind of feeling. I didn't feel like I was sharp. I didn't feel like I was ready to go. In going through the treatments, my sleep is so much better that I didn't have to use them at all. And feeling rested, getting up sharp, getting up focused, getting up ready to go, God is a huge, huge benefit for me. You're sitting in a comfortable chair and you're watching some very soothing videos, relaxing videos. It doesn't hurt at all. There's no side effects. And every week, you have a rescan. So that was kind of, comforting and reassuring that, hey, this thing is working, I see some movement in there, not just in my day-to-day life, my own focus and my own, personal life. Definitely on the screen, it shows that, I got some improvements. I was definitely raised old school. And as a lot of other, kids, my generation were, and you're taught, whatever you're going through in the field, if you got hurt, you had an injury, it's, hey, tough it out. Metaphor for life, which I totally agree with. You go through trials and tribulations in life, you do have to have, the fortitude to overcome adversity in any aspect of life. But I do feel that Dr. Kiefer provides technology to help you overcome whatever, you're potentially going through.